you guys? It's Ruby, back again with another video. Today we are going to do my top tips in 2 minutes. These are going to be rapid fire tips for you. It's not going to be a long video. I also just want to start the video by saying these tips are based entirely on my experiences. I know a lot of people's experiences are different, but these are not those same tips that you see on the internet all the time. In fact, some of my tips might be contrary to some stuff you've already seen on the internet. So without further ado, let's get into it. Here are my top tips in 2 minutes. You cannot cross Las Vegas Boulevard. There are certain designated crosswalks that you have to take. Otherwise, if you're caught crossing the street, you will get a ticket. There is a completely free tram that connects Mandalay Bay, Luxor, and Excalibur. It'll drop you off right by New York, and save you a ton of time and save your feet. You can pack up to 5 liters of alcohol unopened in a checked suitcase. Wrap them in towels so that they don't open. Do not do the $20 trick. It is in the hotel's best interest to give you what you want. If you ask for an upgrade and they have it, they will usually just give it to you for free. Always charge all of your purchases to the room when you're on property. It shows the hotel how much you're spending and they will be more likely to comp you. The free drinks in the casino always take a really long time to get back to you, so if you order a free drink, make sure you slow down your gambling when you're staying in that spot until she comes back. Casino Royale is the only casino on the strip to offer $1 blackjack. In general, all of the hotels will have cheaper minimums if you gamble during the day. They make Pedialyte in a powder form now. It's great for traveling. Put 2 packets in a bottle of water before you go to bed. Ladies are discouraged from the strip clubs. Ladies, they do not want you in the strip clubs. It's more of a guy's place. Trust me, stick to the clubs. Even if you are comped your room, you will still have to pay the resort fees. They can go up to $40 a night. Everything is way farther than it looks on the strip. Always use your phone's GPS to get a real idea of how far it's going to take to walk. Sometimes it's better to Uber. Don't touch the mini fridge. If you take anything out of there, the sensor will say that you took it out and you will be charged. Always take Uber instead of a cab. Cabs are too expensive. Look on the app to tell you where to get one. Set a budget every day so that you do not use all of your cash at once. And pack appropriately. Look for a future post on that later. Okay, I think I got everything in there, guys. I know that was really, really fast. You might have been like, wait, what are you talking about? If you go to the link below in the description box, I will have a link to this that you can actually see a full list, and I do a little bit more explaining for you guys. You can print that list out, do whatever you want with it, but it kind of goes in more in depth on all of those tips because I know that was really, really fast. If you guys liked this video, please be sure to give it a like, subscribe if you want to hear my packing tips. I'm going to have that video coming to you next. And leave a comment down below if you liked these tips. If you didn't like them, please let me know. Do you disagree? Do you agree? Let me know what you think. Thanks, guys. See you later.